Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 3 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're working arms. We have one exercise. It's gonna be tricep dips on the mat for 100 reps. Let me be honest with you, we'll take rest here because I'm pretty sure we can't do 100 reps in one go. So let's get started. There's no warm-up or cool down because we're using this challenge as a finisher of our daily workout. Otherwise, do a quick warm-up if you haven't worked out yet, and let's do the challenge. Let's go. Tricep dips. So on the mat, lift your hips up, fingers pointing toward your feet, and from here we're gonna bend the elbows. Remember, we are not lowering the hips, we are bending the elbows for 100 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twenty. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 35. Now take some rest. You can stretch your triceps if you need. And the other one. Okay, we'll keep going. 65 more to go. Ready? And and 20. Okay. That was 55 in total. Okay, 45 more to go. 45 more reps. Just stay committed, stay with me. We've got this. Probably this is the hardest exercise from the beginning of the challenge. It's for the arms, for the triceps, these relatively small muscles with so much weight, body weight. Let's go. And and 15. Okay. At the beginning we did 35, then 20, now 15. Let's do 2 more sets of 15 and we'll be done. Okay, ready? And holy moly, 15. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do 15 more. My triceps are so dead. Okay. We've got this. Last 15. Don't give up now. Keep pushing. And and 100 reps. Holy moly! Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy day 3. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. Tell all your friends and family for this awesome channel with this awesome challenge. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow.